whether it is a small business or the big business or corporate or multinational. There are so many efforts are going on for from thought process to the making it to reality and making it things to happen. And there are so many unfortunate things which can happen to the business, which can be definitely taken care of by taking the insurance. You cannot get everything back, but at least major part of it you can back, and definitely you are back to onto your standing where you were there if you are having the business policies or insurance policies with the insurance.
The Commission is not resting despite the introduction of the motor insurance database. We know that there are bad guys out there, and whatever you do, they'll try to undermine it. The operations today was successful, and we are ready to embark on a similar operation anywhere in the country. So my advice to the bad guys is that they should stay out of this business. We are here to protect the insured and the general public.
The new Insurance Act of 2021, Act 1061, makes it compulsory for business entities to insure their properties. However, many are yet to comply. The law, per sections 218 and 219, make it mandatory for all commercial properties, either under construction or completed, to have valid insurance certificates displayed at their business premises. These requirements existed in the Insurance Act of 2006, Act 724, Sections 183 and 184.
Insurance actually gives you much protection because you're actually sacrificing a token for a very high loss that you might unfortunately experience in the future. I would appreciate getting the trade associations together. I mean, these fires always happen. And I think as we, insurance company, we have a responsibility to make sure that business is secured and safe so that society will run, the economy will run well. They, like us, also have a responsibility to make sure that their members also are well protected. We will actually enlighten them on what insurance is all about, and then they can also let us know the needs of their members. Let's not wait for the unfortunate to happen, but let's be more proactive.
Insurance next time insurance
The hard truth about fire is that it destroys and destroys ruthlessly. If you close your eyes to this truth, you risk learning through accidents with devastating consequences if you have no fire insurance.